close your eyes and listen. That's the sound of the 90s. POGs weren't just cardboard circles, they were playground gold. Today, we're remastering this legend with a laser etch twist and some heavy metal backup. This game traveled the globe before it hit your pocket. It actually traces back to 17th century Japan as a game called Menko. It was rediscovered in Maui, Hawaii, in the 1920s using passion fruit, orange, and guava juice caps, hence the name POG. By the time it reached California in the 90s, it was $1 billion craze. From Tokyo to the islands to the west coast, the world was hooked. I used to have a massive collection, stacked so high they'd tip over if you breathed on them. But the real power? That was the metal slammer. These were the heavy hitters of the game. Some schools actually banned them because they were too good at flipping the whole stack. For this remaster, I'm using specific laser settings to get that deep, vintage burnt look on the wood. It feels more like a work of art than a game piece. Easter egg alert, if you look at the fine lines in the center of the logo, I've hidden a tiny 90s in the grain. See if you can spot it when the smoke clears. So, did you play for keeps back in the day? And with these metal slammers in hand, is it time we bring the POG Federation back to life? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.